Alright, so it looks like we got another update already. 2022.45.12. Let's go ahead and install it now. We'll tap here to get rid of the timer and we'll start the update. Okay, it says it's gonna probably take 25 minutes. I think they usually say 25 minutes. The other one took a very long time. We'll see. Hopefully this one will probably be quicker because I think it's more minor updates. But again, here you go. 2022.45.12. Alright, we'll see what happens. Alright, it's been a while and it still just says update starting, do not drive until complete. Alright, as you can see, it now says software updating to 2022.45.12. Updating autopilot, driver assistance, and dash cam disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright, oh, I don't know if you heard the clunk, but now you can see it says updating electronic control units. Driving and charging disabled. Do not drive until complete. So from what I googled, it looks like this is for what is it? An over-the-air like update for a recall or something. So we'll see what happens when it's finished. So it made some more clunk sounds and now it's making some whirring sounds. I don't know if you can even hear that. Kind of sounds like a tape is rewinding, like one of those cassette tapes. Alright, we'll see when anything new happens. Alright, still says updating electronic control units. Alright, but these lights all turned on now. I was making some more clinking, clunking sounds. But other than that, it's still going. Alright, you can see it says finishing update. Okay. Driving is disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright, the screen just shut itself off completely. So in a few seconds, the Tesla logo will probably come up. Yep. And we're just going to keep waiting. Okay, it's been several seconds now. The logo's still there. There we go, and it shut itself off. Okay, and it's probably going to boot up again, so yeah, see you in a bit. The logo just came back, and it's probably going to go for a bit more. The screen went off again. Oh, just flashed. It's doing some weird things. It was showing some blocky stuff. And now it says rebooting, driving disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright. And there we go. So hopefully the music's not going to randomly start playing. But there we go. It should pop up with the whatever you call, where it tells you what was updated. There we go. Took a little while. Okay, so release notes. I have a feeling like almost all this stuff is exactly the same. If you want, you can read it. I'm just gonna, slowly scroll up. Okay, I think this is new, Park Assist. I don't remember seeing this. Tesla Vision Park Assist provides visual and audio alerts of surrounding objects. This feature uses the occupancy network to predict high-definition outlines of objects 360 degrees around the car. Right? Tesla Vision Park Assist is for guidance purpose only and is not a substitute for an aware driver. Please be attentive and avoid obstacles as required. So that's new. I think I already had FSD beta 11.3.2, so nothing should be new here if you want to read all of that. My car actually has the radar sensor stuff in it, so I don't know if it still uses the Tesla Vision. Yeah, I think this is all the same. Okay. Here's the over-the-air recall that I was talking about that it seems like they added. Okay. So improved decision logic to proceed through or stop at certain yellow lights by modeling the decision as a trade-off framework that considers estimated deceleration required to stop, time to enter and exit the intersection, and the distance traversed across the intersection before the light transitions to red. This should make yellow light handling more natural and human-like, right? So what does that mean? It's going to floor it? Improve the longitudinal slowdown control profile when leading up to stop sign intersections to make the overall maneuver feel more perceptible and natural. Improve Tesla speed adjustment when entering certain speed zones by allowing for earlier control for detected speed limit signs. The assertiveness of the response when slowing down for detected speed limit signs is determined by the current speed and its difference to the speed indicated by the detected sign. Added a visual glow behind the speed limit icon on the user interface to alert the driver when the vehicle's set speed exceeds the detected speed limit by more than 50%. Finally, the option for an absolute speed limit offset in FSD beta was removed. Only the percent-based offset will be available. Actually, I think this was already here as well. Updated the behavior for certain scenarios where the Tesla may maneuver from a turn lane to continue traveling straight. These maneuvers will now be treated as a lane change where the turn indicator is used to alert other drivers of the Tesla's intent. Okay. Updated the behavior for certain scenarios where Tesla... Okay, I think I read that one. And then as a reminder, the driver is responsible for vehicle operation even when FSD beta is engaged. You must constantly supervise the road, keep your hands on the wheel, and be ready to intervene to maintain safety. Then they got the suspension stuff. Basically, it resets if you got suspended, I think. Cabin camera. This is all old stuff. Apple Music, Zoom meetings. Dog mode, that's all old. Scheduled light show. Climate control, the garage thing. Auto turn signals, Mahjong. Phone call transfer, confirmation, contact lookup. Media controls, the fart thing, rainbow roads, and yeah, so that's pretty much it, but what is that? Where do we go for that? Software. Here you can see FSD beta 11.3.3, right, and 2022.45.12. So yeah, everything's up to date. I'm going to take it on a test drive for the full self-driving. That's going to be on a separate video, so if you want to see that, come back to my channel. It'll be up basically the same day. Alright, see you guys then. Bye.